What's going on, guys and gals? It's Retrospective here. Today there's a little bit of a bike meet going on up at my, Riverside View. So we're going to do a quick ride past that, see if there's any bikers there yet. If not, I know they're coming around at 2 for sure, and they're closing on the street, making a day out of it here in Burlington. If this is your first time viewing my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell below to be notified whenever I upload. Let's see. Since there's going to be bikers out today, we might as well talk about things that bikers should be familiar with. If you're just starting riding, then congratulations. Welcome to the Brotherhood. What we're going to be talking about is different hand signs that we like to use when we're trying to communicate to our fellow brethren, or even if we're just waving hi to show respect to each other on two wheels. So the first one you should already probably know and be most familiar with is the biker wave. And pretty much all the biker wave is when you see a biker, and they may not always wave back, usually just stick your hand out. You could wave like a normie, or sometimes you don't have to wave at all. Another useful, not a hand sign, but it's a sign in general that bikers use when they're letting other bikers know that there's something in the road or debris in the road, is they stick their foot out and point with their toe. We'll do that if there's a rider behind us and we see some like oil spot or road snakes or something, and that's a nice bike. Now, another hand sign that we commonly use to let other bikers know that there's a cop around is we'll tap the top of our helmet, and that pretty much just represents like a light bar on the top of a car, which is a known symbol for police officers. So that's why we do that. Just to let other bikers know that, hey, there's a cop ahead, you might want to slow down. Which brings me on to my next hand signal, which is when a biker goes like this, they wave their hand pointing down to the ground. That means slow down. That could be just them telling you that they think that you're going an unsafe speed, or they're telling you, hey, slow down because there's a cop ahead. Whatever the signal that comes to their mind is. There's a biker. He's on a plastic bike. Nice. Doesn't look like they have the motorcycles out yet. Usually they'll do it right there. Let's see. I'm trying to think of another biker sign. But I know that for the most part, that's going to be all of them. Those are the main one that we use. I believe that's the most important ones to use. Letting the other bikers know stuff that's in the road, letting them know that cops are ahead. You do always have to keep an eye out when you're on a bike. Always look out for other people because they're not going to look for you and they're not going to see you.